Have you ever noticed your truck running a little rough, perhaps hesitating when you accelerate, or just not feeling as powerful as it used to? It can be a frustrating experience for any truck owner when performance starts to decline. Absolutely, worn-out spark plugs are a very common cause of truck engine misfires. These small but mighty components are crucial for your engine's smooth operation and overall efficiency. Spark plugs play a vital role in igniting the air and fuel mixture within your engine cylinders, creating the controlled explosions that generate power to move your truck. Over time, the electrodes on these plugs naturally wear down, causing the gap between them to widen. This increased gap demands more voltage from the ignition system to create a spark, often resulting in a weaker and less consistent spark. A weak spark leads to incomplete combustion, meaning not all the fuel burns efficiently. This inefficient burning is precisely what we refer to as an engine misfire. Furthermore, carbon deposits can accumulate on the plugs, further obstructing their ability to produce a strong, clean spark. When an engine misfire occurs due to worn spark plugs, you might experience several noticeable symptoms. These can include a distinct shudder or stumble from the engine, particularly when the truck is idling or accelerating. You might also observe reduced acceleration, a noticeable decrease in fuel economy, and potentially even a check engine light illuminating on your dashboard. If you suspect worn spark plugs, it is wise to have your truck's ignition system inspected by a qualified mechanic to determine if plug replacement is needed. Maintaining healthy spark plugs ensures optimal combustion within your engine, which is key for both consistent power delivery and efficient fuel usage. This also protects other vital engine components, such as your catalytic converter, from damage caused by unburnt fuel. Investing in good quality spark plugs and replacing them according to your truck's maintenance schedule helps maintain proper ignition timing and overall engine health. Promptly addressing worn spark plugs not only restores your truck's smooth performance and fuel efficiency, but also prevents potential long-term damage to other expensive engine components. Keeping your spark plugs in top condition is a simple yet effective way to ensure your truck remains reliable and powerful on the road for many miles to come.